Hello everyone, Rahul Sharma this side from Equity 99. This video is brought to you by Equity 99 and this is daily market outlook and important stock series which we update on daily basis. First, let's start by the Nifty levels. So Nifty levels which are set for 14th October are that last closing what we got was at 11,934. Now 11,886.20 will act as a first support point, and then 11,837 will act as a second support point, and third will be 11,738. Similarly, on the upper side, 11,985 will act as a strong hurdle. You can call it as a resistance point, and crossover of this will take Nifty to 12,036, which is second resistance, and 12,135, which is third resistance for Nifty. Now let's go to Bank Nifty levels. So Bank Nifty levels which are set for 14th October are as that last closing which we got on 13th October was of 23,492. Now the first support exists at 23,357. If at all Nifty Bank Nifty breaks these levels of 23,357, then the second support is placed at 23,222, and third support is placed at 22,878. Similarly, on the upper direction, 23,701 will act as a first hurdle point, or you can call it as a resistance level. Second resistance level for Bank Nifty will be 23,909. And third resistance will be placed at 24,253. दोस्तों ये सारे इनके लेवल्स हैं बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी के. अब बात करते हैं स्टॉक के बारे में. सो स्टॉक व्हाट वी हैव सिलेक्टेड फॉर यू इज़ फिलिप कार्बन ब्लैक लिमिटेड. लास्ट क्लोजिंग ऑफ फिलिप कार्बन वाज एट 135.15. Over charts, it's look really explosive and it's very bullish. You can see the chart that we are getting higher top, higher bottom formation over here. So we have to keep a stop loss of 129, and on the upper side we are expecting the target of 141 to 145 in next few days only in Philip Carbon. So please keep a strict stop loss of 129 and trade with this in Philip Carbon. Second stock is Sasken Tech. So Sasken Tech, the last closing was at 735. On chart, it is looking very bullish. You can make your position between 727 and 730 with keeping a stop loss of rupees 700. On the upper side, we are expecting 752, 775, and then 800 levels, which should come in soon in coming days. And this was the second stock information about Sasken Technology. Keep a stop loss of rupees 700 with a target of rupees 800. Friends, market is very much volatile. Today also the market of 13th October was very much volatile. People have faced huge losses in which they have made trades, as well as we are just warning you that we are expecting some kind of correction over there, and volatility will be continued, as we have been saying this over each and every video, that please be very cautious with your trades. Huge volatility is expected to continue in the market, so please be very aware. Thank you so much. This was Rahul Sharma from Equity 99. We wish you a very great day. Thank you so much.